Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Outlier AI. In order to do so, here we are at Outlier.ai, and what's Outlier all about? Well, you can become the expert that AI learns from. Join 70K plus MAs, PhDs, and college graduates working and earning as AI trainers. Work from wherever and whenever, no AI experience needed, and you can click here to view opportunities. Here you can search by location, and you can search by type. And you can see here that we have all of these different opportunities with Outlier. So if you're interested in an AI-based job or career, check out Outlier.ai. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month's subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get use our referral link to get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.